everybody.
Hello guys, we're in the historic mountain historic medieval market town of Ludlow in Shropshire, and at the moment we're walking round to the Millennium Green, which is the other side of the castle wall. We've just had a rousing lunch, which was a good 2-hour lunch at Aragon's, which is on the castle square.
It was absolutely delectable.
If it ever goes to YouTube,
Yeah.
this video, we'll have to put a link in the description.
Very, very, very nice.
For that place, because it's very good. It's like a nice walk round to the green now. It's a very
autumnal.
We're in autumn, obviously. It's the end of October. It will be our 15th wedding anniversary tomorrow.
Yes.
And we can't think of a nicer place to be at this particular moment in time. Hopefully you can see the leaves on the floor, giving you an aspect of the time of year.
Yes.
This is. But we didn't know what to expect with Ludlow. It's a very historic town.
It is very, very nice.
The castle you can see here actually. Camera?
Black Magic Pocket Cinema.
All right.
So it's yeah, it does raw, so you can edit all your stuff raw.
Oh, right, okay.
Video as well as just photos. So yeah.
Well, that was interesting. We just met a vlogger, didn't get his name or anything, but he does scenic videos, and this is certainly scenic. We're at the Millennium Bridge, I would have thought.
It is
supposed to lead to a
beautiful.
park. I can't see the green though. This is Mill on the Green we're at here, which is this place here. But I don't see the green.
It's very, very
Unless
gorgeous.
this is it.
Probably.
This might be it. This might be Millennium Green.
We're going to see the docks now.
The docks? The ducks.
Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is absolutely
We're enjoying the walk round Ludlow. We've noticed a lot of blue plaques against houses. Obviously people have lived here in the
Famous
past that
people.
are notable, obviously, of the town, or maybe they've stopped here because it's been a stopover. We could read them all, but we're not going to do. We could be here all afternoon and the light's diminishing as we speak. We're going to have to come back. I feel as if we've only scratched the surface of Ludlow. That is a wine merchant and a chocolate gourmet thing. We've got Ludlow College, right by the castle. This is where they have the market, obviously. So quite a good market here, apparently.
Tomorrow.
It seems most days other than today. Actually, isn't it?
Yeah. It's nice to go normal shopping, which means clothing and, I don't know, perfume, makeup, things like that. But instead, walking around beautiful,
weird places. Hello guys, we're back at the hotel. We're back at the Cadmore Lakeside Hotel and Restaurant, which is sort of like just outside Tenbury Wells, which is off the A49, shall we say. So if you Google map the A49 Tenbury Wells, you will come across the Cadmore Lakeside Hotel. And last night we were a little bit disgruntled because we were moved into room 18, which didn't have a shower. The room was okay, we had everything you wanted, including an extra bed. But we're in a better room, we're in room 3 now, and Bunny likes it.
Yes. It's really nice.
What's the best bit about it though, Mum?
I like the colour scheme better. And then the bed is smaller, which is great. It's not as big as the other one, so I don't have to move too much the other way to go and get you at night. And then it's a nice, there's a nice view on the lake. You can see the swans, and then you've got a little balcony outside.
Yes, I think it's a far better room. You're on the, sort of like the ground floor. The other one was like up about 3 or 4 flights of stairs, really. That's where we are, guys. We're actually on the balcony. This is from our room window. It's pretty swish. And can you imagine it in the summertime, sitting out here having a coffee and all that sort of thing? I think it's pretty much a far better room than where we were, certainly. And so he's done his brow. But it's a bit fresh out there at this time of day, late October, so I'm coming inside again. So back inside where Bunny is.
I'm texting my family because I'm telling them about our day. How good it were. I want to go back to Ludlow.
We didn't finish Ludlow, did we?
No. And there's so much to see, and the guy at the receptionist here seems very friendly enough, and he mentioned that if we wanted to come back to give him an email, and he would do a little itinerary for us. And also to add, the lady at the sweet shop mentioned about the medieval 3 days, end of November, that normally they have every year, and it's quite something to see, basically. It's quite special.
It's a medieval festival.
That's the one, yeah. So, superb. Yes, rural England is absolutely gorgeous. You do get magnificent views.
Even magnificent views. Indeed.
Indeed.
Yes.
Now, time for a cup of tea, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's just quickly show the room. We've got a TV, we've got nice furnishings here, because in the last one was a bit haphazard, but I think we've got something interesting there. You can sit.
I can do my journal.
No,
yes.
no. No.
Oh, yes.
You've got a dressing table, and the radiator's very warm. You've got your facility desk, and then we have a wet room. We didn't even have a shower in the other room, just a bath, which was alright, but we don't usually take baths. And then in here, it is actually the wardrobe within the bathroom, which is a bit novel. But I think we like this room far better, obviously, and we're going to enjoy tonight. We've already eaten, as we mentioned before, in Aragon's in Ludlow, so we don't need a dinner. So that's about it, really. Pity this is the last night here, because tomorrow we move on to Stratford-upon-Avon at the Crown Plaza, which is probably not going to be as nice as this, actually, because it looks from the outside to be an old school or a hospital. So we'll have to see what it is on the inside. I don't know whether Bunny's going to go swimming tonight. It has got a pool, no spa or anything, but it has not got a warm pool or hot pool. But that's it, guys. We'll see you tomorrow probably, and we'll just leave you with this view.